Welcome. If you're looking to spice up your Discord experience and keep your profile looking sharp across all your devices, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to turn on sync profile themes in Discord Mobile with the latest steps for 2025. This feature is perfect if you love customizing your profile and want your theme to stay consistent, whether you're chatting on your phone or switching to your computer. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap to open up your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to enter a new menu filled with features designed to make Discord even easier to use. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down within the Accessibility menu until you find the option called Sync Profile Themes. This setting is what allows your chosen profile theme, colors, backgrounds, and all those personal touches to automatically sync across every device where you use Discord. To activate it, simply tap the toggle next to Sync Profile Themes. When it turns on, you'll know the feature is enabled. That's it. Your profile theme will now stay perfectly in sync, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle it back. It's that easy. Keeping your Discord profile consistent has never been simpler. With sync profile themes enabled, you can show off your unique style everywhere you chat. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new unified Discord look.